Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we're going to be discussing how to set up hot corners on your Mac. It's a really neat trick to quickly access functions with a flick of your wrist. First things first, click on the Apple logo in the top left-hand corner of your screen. Then click on System Settings. Once you're in the System Settings app, scroll down until you find Desktop and Dock. Click on that. This will give you a whole bunch of desktop settings, but to change our hot corners, we need to scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. There you'll see a button that says Hot Corners. Go ahead and click it. This will open the Hot Corners tab, and you'll see something that looks like this. This is how I currently have mine set up, but we can customize it to your liking. You want to choose the corner you want to change the behavior for. For example, I have mine set to show the desktop when I move my mouse to the top right corner. You can choose from a lot of other options in the drop-down menu. To give you an example of how this works, if I drag my mouse over to the corner that I have set up, it automatically shows the desktop. I can interact with it just like normal. And if I want to go back to the applications I was looking at, I just drag my mouse back into that corner. Now for the bottom left, I have it set up to open a quick note. The way that works is, if I drag my mouse to the bottom left, you'll see the quick note tab appear, and if I click on it, I can quickly write up a note. Then to get rid of the note, I simply click away. You can do the same with the top right and top left corners as well. All the options are the same for each corner, so feel free to experiment. Once you're ready, click on Done, and your hot corners are now successfully set up. It's that easy. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Don't forget to subscribe to Roam Tech for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.